guys, Jaleesa here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Today I am actually going to be showing you guys how I did this really pretty purple smoky eye look. If you're interested in seeing that, just keep on watching. So first, I'm actually going to be using the Clinique foundation and concealer Beyond Perfecting on my eyelids. Then I'm going to follow up with my Jackie Aina Anastasia Beverly Hills eyeshadow palette. I love this palette. Even better that it's made by Jackie Aina. So I'm taking that deep purple and applying it to the outer corner of my eyes. And I'm making sure I really pack that color in because I really want that pigment to show up really well. I really love this eyeshadow though because it does not take much to have that pigment show up. A lot of times with eyeshadows, you really have to pack it on for the color to show up. But this eyeshadow is super pigmented. Next, I am going to go into my inner corner and apply that same purple color because I am going to follow up with a really pretty shimmery color from that same palette in the middle of my eyelids. For my transition color, I didn't apply it first, but I'm going to go on top of where I applied that purple in my outer corner, and I'm going to apply it into my crease area and just blend that out and blend out the purple as well. Next, I'm applying a little bit of concealer onto the middle of my eyelid. Just being careful not to get too messy with it. I know there's a couple different techniques for how you can do this, but I decided to just do it this way and it worked for me. As you can see, I'm going back into that purple color and just cleaning up a little bit on the edges and in the outer corner to make that color pop some more. For my shimmery color, I am going into that same palette and taking that lavender shimmer and applying it to the center of my eyes. It is so pretty, and I think that it really set this look off. Alright guys, so for my eyeliner, I'm using my Fenty Beauty eyeliner, and this eyeliner is actually about to run out, I think, but I made it work for this look. So I'm doing a small cat eye, and you guys know if you ever mess up on a wing, you can always clean it up with some concealer. Happens to me all the time. I am not a pro. And so as you can see right here, I'm just cleaning up some of the eyeshadow fallout. Next, for my skin, I'm using the Truly Organic Glass Skin Facial Serum, and I'm just taking a little bit and I'm going to rub it all over my face before my foundation. For my foundation, I'm using the Beauty Bakery Insta Bake Aqua Skin Foundation, and I am just going ahead and putting that all over, and as you can see, it doesn't quite match my skin. I don't know, it was a little tricky, but I actually switched my foundation up after I did this, and I did not get it on camera for some reason, so it's like it matches a little bit, but it was showing up a little bit too red for me. Yeah, I ended up switching up the foundation, and yeah, it's a little bit lighter. I don't know, maybe I need to mix the two foundations. For my concealer, I'm using that same concealer that I used at the beginning under my eyes, and I really like this foundation and concealer because it blends out so easily. Next up, I am going to go ahead and contour a little bit with my Black Radiance foundation stick. So I'm taking a little eyeshadow brush and I am going to take that foundation stick up my bridge of my nose and blend that out with my beauty sponge. I also did this in the contour areas of my cheek, on my face, and on my forehead. I just don't have it on camera for some reason. Next, I'm going back under my eyes with that really pretty deep purple color from the Jackie Aina palette. Next up for my lashes, I am using the Laura Mercier mascara. For my highlighter, I am actually using the Becca Cosmetics Shimmer and Skin Perfector Pressed Highlighter in the shade Topaz. Next up, I am using the Laura Mercier blush to apply to my cheeks, and I am being very gentle with this blush so that I don't overdo it. For my lips, I use the Bite Beauty lip primer as well as 2 Bite Beauty lip crayons. I will leave the names down in the description box. And then I actually went back under my eyes with the Maybelline Tattoo Studio eye crayon, and I just lined my waterline, and I feel like this really made this look pop. Finally, I am spraying my face with the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray, and this is my look, you guys. If you like this look, definitely give the video a thumbs up. Let me know down in the comments below, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!